Hey guys, so wanted to make a quick video about what I said at the end of yesterday's video. I think I am going to be more like, hey, update what's going on with me, because otherwise it leads to like possibly falling behind or possibly like not feeling like I have content to put out, because what happened in the past was I was so concerned about like, oh, I need to, make videos of this high quality where I need to spend, I need to put in time lapses, I need to put in music, I need to, really show a bunch of stuff visually that's getting done. So if I have some work that is not very visual, is in the background, stuff that needs to get done for the game to be completed, however you can't visually tell it. I guess one thing I could think of is sort of A-star pathing, because there's some work that goes into that, and then you just see, oh, I click on this spot on the map and I click on this other spot of the map and he just goes there, and you're like, oh, okay, that's cool, but you don't realize that like it has to go through this whole pathing algorithm that you have to code up and take time. And thankfully there's like online resources to help with that, learning it and then implementing it. But what would happen is I'd spend, if you look at some of the old Battle Puss logs, or the some of the ones that are really heavy with, there was one time I did I think it was like four different camera angles or three different camera angles at the same time. Like one was my screen, one was me from like a side view, the other one was my webcam. I think it was just three, but it took like 8 hours to edit that video, and then just I had to use multiple programs in order to get the time lapses to sync up and be all in sync, and just it led to me not wanting to put out videos, because I knew that I'd have to spend hours and hours on creating, just making the video. Now with this, it's closer to a vlog, because I just hit record, it records me, and then I hit stop recording, and then I just upload that video. Like, there's no editing whatsoever, meaning that as soon as I'm done recording, I can just give you guys the video. And it makes it a lot better, because I'm pivoting now. Instead of being like, oh, I need to have the most fanciful effects, now I'm like, I need to be able to communicate with you guys. I need to be able to keep you guys up to date with what I'm doing, and so if I am working on multiple projects, which I am right now, then that's just what you guys are going to get. Now, in a previous video, I showed a 3D platformer that I was working on, and that's kind of like in this state where I could release it as is, but it's just got like one level. So I might want to go in and add some more code to it, just to get it a little bit better. But I'm pretty much done with that project, and I should be able to get it done in like 8 hours at most. I might throw an online high score, so if someone's like, hey, I want to see if I can beat Latch's score, like, it should be online and everything. So I should be able to implement that. So with that in mind, and my coffee, because it's only 12, it's only noon, I think I'm going to finish that 3D platformer, because it's like a thing that I know I should get finished and like put the executable out there, put the game out there. So I think I'm just gonna start streaming on Twitch this morning, totally unplanned, spur of the moment, and I think I want to finish and publish the game by the end of the stream. Now, publish could just mean a download link in the description. Maybe I'll look into seeing if I can upload it anywhere. But yeah, I just want to get it done, and I want to get it done today, so that I can move on to other things and just be like, oh, this is done, you can play it, yada yada yada. So yeah, so if you guys want to catch me on Twitch, let me know, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.